Let's begin chapter 9, that is impact of agricultural practices and industrial practices on the ecosystem. So first we will deal with the impact of agricultural practices on the ecosystem. First of all, what is agriculture? The term agriculture may be defined as the art and science of growing plants and other crops and the raising of animals for food, other human needs, or for economic gain. It is a science, art, or occupation concerned with cultivating land, raising crops, and feeding, breeding, and raising livestock and farming. Next is agriculture and environment. Often when speaking of the agricultural impact on the environment, one restricts any consideration to process of pollution of surface and groundwater from chemicals added to the soil during agricultural practices. No doubt such processes exist and may have even a prominent importance. They are caused either by water infiltration in soil with the consequent possibility of nutrient and pesticide leaching. That is, excessive use of pesticide is causing infertility to the soil. Next, various impact of environment on agriculture. Environment affect the agriculture due to the following reasons. The first is global warming, second is heavy rainfall, third is flood, fourth is acidic rain, fifth is wind erosion, and the last is landsliding. Cultural and environmental implications. Developing measures that will encourage flexibility in the land use, crop management in relation to climate change is a key topic of global concern. Increasing water management efficiency in order to sustain agricultural production under changing climatic condition, and integrating agricultural, environmental and cultural policies to preserve the heritage of rural environment, that is the environment of the villages. Environmental impacts of agriculture. When farming operations are sustainably managed, they can help preserve and restore critical habitats, protect watersheds and improve soil health and water quality. But when practiced without care, farming presents the greatest threat to species and ecosystem. Multiple impacts. Negative environmental impact from unsustainable farming practices include land conversion and habitat loss, wasteful water consumption, soil erosion and degradation, pollution, climate change, and genetic erosion. So we will just study till climate change. In the picture you can see how the land is being converted from a grassland or a fertile land to an infertile land, or the land which has become deserted. Land conversion and habitat loss, a major and growing land use. Agriculture is a major land use. Farmland covers 38% of the world's land area. This area is still expanding to meet the demand for food. Natural habitats converted to monocultures. Rising demand for food and other agricultural products has seen large-scale clearing of natural habitats to make room for intensive monocultures. Next, continuation of land conversion and habitat loss. Fresh water is also affected. Wastewater of fields also affect to the fresh water of river, oceans, etc. Land loss to desertification. On top of habitat loss due to clearing, unsustainable agricultural practices are seen 12 million hectares of land lost each year due to desertification. Picture is showing the wasteful water consumption, how the chemical liquid waste are drained into the rivers and the flowing streams. Full water consumption. Agriculture, the greatest user of water. Globally, the agricultural sector consumes about 70% of the planet's accessible fresh water, more than that of industry, that is 20% only, and dwarfing municipal use, that is 8%. Wasteful and unsustainable. The main causes of wasteful water use are leaky irrigation system, wasteful field application methods, and cultivation of thirsty crops not suited to the environment. Picture is showing the soil erosion and degradation. How the topsoil is being washed away or getting washed away due to the various agents of weathering such as rain, wind, air, and also how the soil is losing its fertility. Erosion and degradation. Flooding increased. Erosion caused by deforestation can also lead to increased flooding. Arable land destroyed. It is estimated that since 1960, 1/3 of the world's arable land has been lost through erosion and other degradation. Waterways clogged and polluted. Soil carried off in rain or irrigation. Water can lead to sedimentation of rivers, lakes, and coastal areas. Pollution. As you can see how the spraying of pesticides and fertilizers in the field is causing pollution in the fields. The use of pesticides, fertilizers, and other agrochemicals had increased hugely since 1950. Toxic pesticides often don't just kill the target pest. Pesticides can also kill the microorganisms which are useful for the soil and for the growth of plant. Excess nutrients, fertilizers are not directly toxic. However, their presence in fresh water and marine areas alters the nutrient system. It is climate change. How you can see the global warming is causing the climate change due to the increased level of carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, and other gases in the atmosphere. Agricultural practices are responsible for around 14% of global greenhouse gas emissions. Sources include fertilizers, livestock, wetland rice, cultivation, burning of savanna, that is the grasslands, agricultural residues, and plugging. Hope till here it is clear. Read your textbook and we'll be getting back in the next class. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.